they could bend you, the got there. Fucking Christmas Day, and the fucking cunt is driving on the fucking road. He's got no fucking back window. He's got fucking all the back fucking boots. If you can see, he's all fucking dented, and the cunt has got the fucking door open. Who the fuck can say that the fucking cops are out on a Christmas Day? This guy is a fucking prick and a fucking wanker. Who the fuck lets these cunts out on the fucking road? Look at this. Look at this. There you go. Putting his brakes on as and when where he wants to. Fucking son of a bitch. Hang on a second. Had to change gear then, folks. Sorry, I'm just gonna change the hand I'm holding my fucking phone in. But you gotta look at this fucking prick. This is what fucking Tory cuts have done to this fucking country. He's got no fucking... Where's the fucking cops? Who's fucking stopping this fucking dickhead? I'm just fucking recording the prick. There you go. Look at that. I don't know if you actually caught it on your camera. There, he's closed his fucking door now. Because he smashed it into some fucking... But that's the cunts who are on this fucking road on Christmas Day. And I hope they get fucking done. This video I will be sending to West Midlands Police, and I hope they get fucking done. And they fucking go on about people who've had more than fucking 2 points and are driving on the road. But this fucking prickhead, what the fuck's he been fucking drinking? Fucking wanker.